When a character in the script has multiple names, how can we make sure the correct character is always referenced when generating images or videos? Let's take this character as an example. His real name is Peter. After being kicked out of the company by the boss, he uses the alias Kale to hide his identity. Simply duplicate Peter's character reference image node in place, then rename the new node. Then, in Kale, add both reference images to the subject library. This way, when generating storyboards or videos, no matter which name is mentioned, the same character appearance will be used. In many cases, a character may appear in different states at different stages of the story, such as different outfits, injured states, combat states, and so on. In this case, the character will need multiple sets of reference images. Let's take one character as an example. In the early part of the story, the character is heavily injured. Later, the character returns to a normal state. During the subject extraction step for this script, the AI has already automatically recognized these two states. It also creates separate names for the two states in the table and marks the base version. If the AI extraction result is not what you want, you can edit the table and the corresponding prompts here. Then, when you generate the character, two character reference images will be created, and their names will match the subject list. All we need to do is add both reference images to the subject library. After that, during storyboard generation and video generation, the system will pull the reference image that matches the corresponding character state.